Dear students, so today we will perform lab number 4, and this lab number 4 is about joins in SQL Oracle. So we have like 6 different kinds of queries, and we'll perform one by one. So the first is about find the name and salary of the employees in Dallas, right? So we will see that how we can find the name and salaries only. So what we need a name and the salary. So let's see how we can find it. Okay, now see over here. So we need to see. So basically, this is lab number 4, not 5. Okay, right. So in this lab, so we'll see that how it works. So uh, this lab, if you see over here, so if I run it, okay, so then I will let you know how to analyze this one. So what we need select e-name, employee name, and then salary, okay, and then location where it is. And we need, because these are from two different tables, e-name and salary from the employee table, and location is from the dev table. And then we need to know, we need to tell the SQL that employee name dot employee number department number must be equal to the department name department number, right? And after that one, what will happen? And then we say that and location, okay, and then we say that and location equal to Dallas. So when the location is equal to Dallas, so it will only print us those employees names along with the salary, those who are located in Dallas, not in other one. Okay, so if we before that one, if we run the query, select static from EMP, right? So it will show us all the employees with the different with the different salaries and with the different departments. You can see over here there are a lot of employees, but not all are from Dallas, right? So if you see who are from the Dallas and other employees from the other departments, you see over here we have from New York, Dallas, Chicago, and Boston, right? So we want only those who are from Dallas, and the department number, must be equal to 20 over there. That's why we connect them through to department number. Okay, the second query is about, okay, this is the lab number 4 we have here. Yeah, so second is about this one. Join the department table to the EMP table and show in the department number order, right? So we need order by command. We need to join these two tables, department and employee table. So for this one, the code is here. This is the code for that one. First we will run this code, and then we will analyze that what are the important facts and figure in that one. If you see over here, so what we need department and then department number. So dot means I am the dot separates the table name and the column name, and then we need a department name, then we need the job, then we need the e-name. Okay, and after that one we both need tables. So if we need the data from the both table, we must specify both the table. And then in the condition where we specify the where clause, and then the where clause we equate that we need the department when the department number is equal to. So here the department number in the one table must be equal to the department number in another table. So here the del for this one here, what we have it, so both should be equal, and then we need to apply order by. So order by, how we want to order it? We want to order according to the department number in the department table. So this is the query over here. And then we have the next query. Third query is about, we need list all departments that have employees. So here we need to list the departments, okay, and that have employees plus those departments that do not have employees. Okay, so there is no employees, null, right? So let's see how this code is will be visualized. Okay, so let me make it separate code, this one for you. Okay, and this one separate, right? Yeah. Okay, so in this one, what we have it, yeah, so in this code, let's run this code first and see that how it works. Okay, okay, now we see we need what? We need department name, the name, and an e name, okay, employee name. And then what we needed from these two tables, these are the two tables from where we need the data. And then the condition, what is the condition? We need a condition where department name equal to the employee department name, with the plus sign here. So this is like, according to the condition requirements, and after that one we order it to it, right? So here are all the required one. So here you can see the required elements we have it. So here we have those with there is no employees in this one. So operation department, they don't have employees, right? So we got all the employees even if there is no employee in it. Okay, for the next one, what we have it like list all department that do not have any employees, right? So they have employee, they do not have any employees. So let's see how can we run that queries without employees, right? Yeah. So as I told you, null is a command which is used to show there is no employees over here. So as we say, distinct means like, we need to have the one instances from the table, and that is department number. Okay, and then we have d name and location. So here from these two tables as usual we have it, and then we have like, department number equal to department number plus. So here we like, mention that there is extra condition which say that the employment number is null. So here we must have this one. So let's see what are the outputs for here. So yeah, as we already in the previous one we mentioned that operation. So here there is no employees in this department. Okay, and then we have the second last code. In the second last code, what we have, find all the employees that earn more than John's using temporary labels to abbreviate table names, right? So what we needed, we need all those employees that earn more than John. So we need to compare John's salary with all other salaries of the people, and we need to give some temporary labels to the column names, and then we need to abbreviate the table name as well. So let's see how this code will be functional. So here I wrote the code for it, and you see over here, let me first run this one. Now see, these are all employees whose salary is more than John. So you can double check if you see with the salary, for example, select static from EMP. So if you compare in the EMP table and then salaries in here, so you will understand that. So salary over here, what is the John salary? Let's first see the John salary. So where is John's? Okay. Yeah, John. So the John salary is approximately uh, 1250 BHD or dollar or whatever we have it. Oh, sorry, this one 2975, right? So this is the John salary. So we need all those employees where like, whose salaries are as per C, whose salaries are more than John's, right? So not less than John's, more than John's, right? So you see over here, so this is the one. So if I run this one, so if we have the cell is which it must be more than 2975. So let's see. Uh, so see now these are like, more than 900 to 2970 equal or more than that. So we have only like, these records over here. Or so as you can see over here, salary is 3000 over here, right? Because John, this is John's salaries, okay, and this is the salaries of the Scott. Scott is 3000 salary, and Ford has a 3000 salary too. Now we go to the last question. In the last question, what is asked here, for each employee whose salary exceed his manager's salary. Like, so he's a lucky employee and his salary is more than the manager. So we need to list the employee's name and salary. So we need two columns, name column and salary, and the manager's name and the salary. So we'll see that that who's the employee, who's that lucky employee whose salary is more than the manager's salary. Okay. So let's see, we have like just to rectify that, this query is for the Johns, like, when you're comparing the salaries whose with the Johns greater than the Johns. So this is the code for it, but for the, if you compare with the manager, so this is the query. So just for the correction, okay, so these are the people whose salary is more than the managers, right? Okay, so thank you very much and see you in the next lab.